The Adelaide Zero project is a collective effort from over 30 organisations that have come together to end street homelessness in the city of Adelaide. Homelessness is a solvable problem, and in an attempt to become Australia's first city to end street homelessness, the Adelaide Zero project will use the functional zero approach. The functional zero approach has been successfully implemented in a number of cities in the United States and Canada, and is now expanding to other communities in Europe and around the world. Functional zero is reached when the number of people who are sleeping rough in the city at any point in time is no greater than the amount of people who are being helped into housing at that same point in time. In other words, the average capacity of the housing system is greater than the existing need. Because the circumstances of people who are homeless are constantly changing, a good system has to track any changes as close to real time as possible. To do this, we need to know the name and needs of each person sleeping rough. We call this a by name list. This list allows organisations to prioritise and coordinate secure housing and support services for people sleeping rough. The by name list gives an overview of 3 population groups we track. Firstly, those who are actively homeless and sleeping rough in streets, parks, vehicles and improvised dwellings, as well as those who are sheltered in emergency or transitional accommodation. Secondly, we have people moving off the active list into secure permanent housing, as well as those who haven't been engaged or seen by services for 28 days. Finally, a third group is our inflow group. This group is made up of people who are sleeping rough for the first time or who have returned to the streets for various reasons. The inflow group also includes anyone who may be returning from the inactive list and has been identified again by services. Achieving and sustaining functional zero in Adelaide is the first step to achieving our goal of ending street homelessness for all South Australians. As a community, we agree that homelessness is an issue we can only solve by working together in new ways. We invite you to be part of the Adelaide Zero project.